Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Janal Subiabisan. I'd like to talk about the topic that captured the interest of millions around the world. Esport or electronic esport. Esport refers organized competitive video gaming where individuals or team face off in multiplayer games like Mobile Legends, League of Legends, Dota 2, and Valorant, and many more. Esport has grown rapidly over the past decade. Major tournaments now fill stadiums, live streams, draw millions of viewers, and treated like athletes. In fact, many sport tournaments offer prize pool worth millions of dollars. For example, the International for Dota 2 has given out for some largest prize in gaming history. This shows how serious and large the industry has become. Some people think gaming is a waste of time, but esports prove that it can be meaningful and productive. Professional players trade for hours every day to improve their coordination, mechanics, and teamwork. Just like traditional athletes, they practice strategies, study opponents, and maintain discipline. Many of them work with coaches, analysts, to reach their highest potential. Esport also teaches important skills. Players can learn communication, perseverance, decision making, and problem solving. Team-based games require and trust cooperation, while solo games demand and focus on mental strength. So yung sport, hindi lang naman siya nakakapag-usap, nakakatulong din siya sa mental health para ma-relate yung stress. So ano yung impact of sport in the career? Aside from becoming a professional player, there are so many other jobs in the industry. So ano like podcaster, manager, content creator, coaches, event organizer, and graphic designers. And many more. School and universities around the world are now offering sport-related courses and even scholarship